I'm Laura. I grew up in Ireland in a very small town. So I did a first apprenticeship over there. I wasn't ready for uni. I didn't think I would behave myself enough, so I thought maybe a trade would be good. But as you can imagine, in a small town, being a girl, it was not offered, and everywhere I investigated, they said no. So this, of course, encouraged my path. And eventually I did find someone that was willing to put me on as a wall and floor tiler. So I still remember the first day walking through the gates of that. It was a hospital construction site in the west of Ireland, so it was huge. And I was the only girl on site. So that was pretty daunting, but I survived. I finished my tiling over there, and then I came to Australia and worked on a few of the high rises over here for a couple of years, and did a little bit out on my own business tiling. And then after that, I wanted to move along in the industry a little bit more, and to do that, I decided that a second apprenticeship was on the cards for me. Most people thought I was crazy, but I went back and did my carpentry, which allowed me to then go on to get my builder's license. And that's sort of where Juanita comes into the story, and we sort of kicked off with Eve Renovations.